welcome back to episode 2. In today's YouTube video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your episode character run off screen while having an emotion. Well, without further ado, if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching today's video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet the taste.
Right now, what I have open is my script on Episode Interactive. So this is just my background, which you can find in our catalog. So first, I'm going to have my character in the scene. So I'm going to do @Alexis, which is my character. You guys can put whatever character yours is. Stand center. So now I want her to run off screen. So to look at all the animations, all I have to do is go to the library on the right side, animations by character, and make sure you find the character, open that plus sign right there. But first you have to go in here, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in run. And then you're going to click the plus sign, and you'll see a bunch of cool different running animations. There's a running fall, there's a running neutral, there's a run super speed, there's a walk runway. So I'm going to do run, cry, embarrass, because this is one of the most popular ones that are used for more dramatic episodes. So it's going to look like this. She looks like she's crying. Perfect. You obviously can use any one you want. So you're just going to click it, and it should paste it right into your script. And normally, many episode authors make the mistake of just doing this. @Alexis is. But I'm going to show you what that looks like and why that's a mistake. Okay, see, now she's running. But the problem is that she's not running off screen. She's not running to a specific location. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do @Alexis exits right and Alexis is emotion. So what I did is A, I made her exit either left or right, and B, I put and Alexis is. So let's see if it works now. Okay, it's loading. Perfect. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure you give that video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my tutorials. And I love you guys so much, and as always, stay safe, and I love you. Bye!
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry